Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Angelica Martinez Toro, and it is my presentation. Today, I will talk about my mother. Her name is Ruby Toler Arcon. She is 63 years old, Colombian, and lives in Bogota. His birthday is December 28th. She is a diagnostic imaging technician. She has been married for 40 years, and her husband Arturo is my father. She has three daughters and one son, all of one are married. She has three grandsons, Juan Esteban and Matias, 14 years old, and Juan Marcos, 11 years old. Her granddaughter Juliana is also 11 years old. My mother loves visiting my grandmother Ophelia, who is 85 years old. She helps her with the housework and they cook together. She also accompanies her to medical appointments and is very attentive to her we will be in. She loves crafts and is very clever at doing sudokus and word searches. She enjoys traveling and has visited Chile, Mexico, and Dominican Republic. And a special note, she has been to San Andres 4 times and love it. She likes to eat healthy, but she doesn't exercise much. She loves reading the Bible and praying. Now I'll tell you a little about her daily activities. She get up, she get up at 5 a.m. to pray. At 7 a.m. she cooks breakfast. Then she showers and gets dresses, tidies her house. And at 10 a.m. she leaves to fulfill her commitments for the day. Visits, doctor's appointments, grocery shopping, or going to church. When she gets home, she watches TV for a while, and at 7 p.m. she cooks dinner. She goes to bed at 9:30 p.m. after reading for a while and calling her children to make sure everything's all right. Well, teacher, this is part of my mother's life. Thank you very much for your attention.